Hello learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel Econ the Learning Platform. In this video, I am going to discuss with you some important MCQ on basics of banking. Okay, these MCQs are very important for any competitive exam. Hope you liked the video. Now start with the very first question. Which was the first bank established in India? The options are Bank of Calcutta, Bank of Hindustan, General Bank of India, State Bank of India. Okay, and the correct answer is Bank of Hindustan. So, the first Bank of India is the Bank of Hindustan, and it was established in the year 1770. The year 1770. Okay, move to the next question. Under which sector will banking sector fall? Okay, here are the option: agriculture sector, industrial sector, service sector, none of the above. So as we know, there are three sectors in an economy: agriculture sector, industrial sector, service sector. Okay, and the banking sector will fall under category of service sector. So it is the option C, service sector. Next question. The regulator of Indian banking system is SBI, RBI, SEBI, Finance Minister. Okay, so who regulates the Indian banking system? It's option B, RBI. Okay, as you all know, RBI is the apex institution. Move to the next question. When RBI was established? Here are the options, and the correct option is RBI was established on 1st of April 1935. Okay, so here another thing, there is an important thing, that RBI was established on the basis of the recommendation of Hilton Young Commission. Okay, so you have to remember the name of the commission, that is Hilton Young Commission. It was established in the year 1935. Move to the next question. When RBI was nationalized? Okay, here are the options. So as you know, RBI was established in the year 1935 and it was nationalized in the year 1949, 1st January of 1949. Move to the next question. There are no restriction on the number of times deposit in cash check in case of which account? Here are the options. So here correct answer is option A, current account. Okay. So basically what is current account? Current account is opened by the businessman who have a higher number of regular transaction. Okay. So amount can be deposited and withdrawn at any time in case of current account, and therefore no interest is paid in case of current account. Okay. So there is no restriction on the number of times deposit in cash or check in case of current account. Next question is also related to current account. No interest is paid for which type of account? Okay, here are the options, and the correct answer is current account. So in case of current account, no interest is paid. Move to the next question. The full form of KYC used in the banking operation is? So as you all know about KYC, so what is the full form of KYC? It is option A, know your customer. So it can be know your client also. Okay. Next question. State Bank of India formed in which year? So it is the option C. State Bank of India was formed in the year 1955. Next question. Who is the present governor of RBI? Very important. These are the options. And the correct answer is Shaktikant Das. So Shaktikant Das is the present governor of RBI. Next question. How many deputy governors are there in RBI? Okay. So there are 4 deputy governors in RBI. Okay. So among the 4, 2 governors are traditionally from RBI and 2 are selected from bank's executive directors. Okay. Here I have to tell the name of the 4 governors. The name of 4 deputy governors are Mahesh Kumar Jain, M. Rajeshwar Rao, Michael Patra and T. Ravi Shankar. Okay. Next question. Where is the headquarter of RBI? Okay, here are the option. And the correct answer option A, Mumbai. Next question. Who appoints the governor of RBI? Okay. So the governor of RBI was appointed by central government. So the correct answer option C, central government. Here one thing also remember that not only the governors of RBI but also the deputy governors of RBI also appointed by the central government. Okay. Move to the next question. Who had the shortest tenure as the governor of RBI? Okay. So these are the option. And the correct answer is Amitav Ghosh. So Amitav Ghosh has the shortest tenure as the governor of RBI. So he was serving only for 20 days. Okay. So generally the time limit is for 3 years. The time limit of governor of India is 3 years. But Amitav Ghosh was serving the governor of India as only for 20 days. Okay. So therefore he had the shortest tenure as the governor of RBI. Move to the next question. When did the National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development, in short NABARD, established? Okay. So NABARD was established in the year 1982. So you have to know the full form of NABARD also. It's National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development. When did the nationalization of major commercial banks happen? Okay. So major commercial banks was nationalized in the year 1969. Okay. Next question. Which among the following was the first bank to open a branch on foreign soil? Okay. So who opened its branch on foreign soil for the first time? So the answer is option A, Bank of India. Next question. How many languages are printed on Indian currency note? Okay. So the answer is option C, 15. 15 languages are printed on Indian currency note. Remember. Here is the next question. Which of the following nation is considered the originator of the concept of microfinance? Okay. Here are the options. The concept of microfinance is very important and it plays an important role nowadays. And your correct answer is Bangladesh. Okay. So Bangladesh is considered the originator of the concept of microfinance. Move to the next question. Many times we read the term CBS in banking operation. Okay. So we heard the term CBS. So what is the full form of CBS? Here are the options. And the correct answer, option C, CBS stands for Core Banking Solution. It's Core Banking Solution. Next question. No frill account means. So what do you mean by no frill account? The answer is zero balance account. Okay. So no frill accounts means zero balance account. Here is the next question. Who works as RBI's agent at places where it has no office of its own? If RBI has no office as its own at that place, who work as the agent of RBI? Is SBI. Okay, the answer is option A, SBI. Move to the next question. Which is the largest private sector bank of India? Okay, here are the options. Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, South Indian Bank. So answer is ICICI Bank. So largest private sector bank. How many digits are there in IFSC code? Okay, here are the options. And the correct answer is option B, 11. Okay, so there are 11 digits in IFSC code. And what does IFSC stands for? It's Indian Financial System Code. Remember. Move to the next question. What method is used by the bank to read the code on check? So To read the code and check what method is used, it's option A, MICR method. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Okay. Next question here. Which of the following public sector bank has highest number of branches in India? So which bank has highest number of branches? Answer is State Bank of India. It's option C. Next question. Which is the largest public sector bank in India? It's option D, State Bank of India. Okay. Move to the next question. Which of the following banks launched the first talking ATM for differently abled person? So which bank launched first talking ATM? Answer is Union Bank. So Union Bank launched the first talking ATM for a differently abled person. Here is the next question. Which of the following governor of RBI also served as the finance minister of India? So governor as well as the finance minister of India. So here is the correct answer, option C, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Okay. So these are the questions for today's video. In the next video, I'll bring another some important MCQs. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe and share it. Thank you.